The future is here. And if you don't like writing, don't worry, in 2023, you don't need to anymore because the robots are here. AI has been the talk of the town lately towards the end of 2022 and going into 2023. And if you haven't heard of AI yet, you've probably been living under a rock, especially with the AI filters, being able to turn yourself into a Renaissance character with the use of artificial intelligence, which uses your photos to turn you into a whole new character. But we're not talking about photos today. We're going to actually be talking about writing and how we can use AI in our Etsy store. If you follow me on TikTok, you've probably seen my recent video about how we can use AI to help write our Etsy description. But after discovering that, I was wondering, what else can AI help us with within our Etsy store? And there was quite a few sections that I actually found super helpful. And I was actually super surprised that a computer could write this for us. So let's go through everything in our Etsy store that we can have AI help us with. This right here, ChatGPT, is probably one of the most talked about AI resources out there because it is just so complex. In my video, I talked about how to write descriptions, and I'm going to show you here in case you missed that. But let's say we had a cat print t-shirt and we want to write our top of our description for a keyword-filled sentence. If you haven't watched my SEO video on why descriptions are important, it's the last video that was released, so please go ahead and watch that. So right here, I asked it to write a 2-sentence keyword-filled description for a cat print t-shirt. The only hint I gave it was cat print t-shirt. And we got back, this stylish cat print t-shirt is made of high-quality soft material and features a unique eye-catching feline design. Feline is another keyword. It is the perfect choice for cat lovers. Another keyword right there. We also have high quality, soft material, and adds a fun, casual touch to any outfit. This is great. I would definitely use this at the top of my description. And if you don't like it, you can edit little pieces to add in some more keywords, or you can hit regenerate response to let it try again. But descriptions are not the only thing that this AI can help us with in writing for our Etsy stores. Perhaps you don't know what to write on your About Me. I'm going to ask it to write an About Me for my Etsy print on demand shop. And let's see what it comes up with. Hi there, my name is fill in the blank, and I am the creator of blank. My Etsy print on demand shop. I am passionate about creating unique things and high quality products that bring joy and inspiration to others. This right here is already perfect. You can go ahead and remove some words and add in some things yourself, but now you have a general, pretty much template for your About Me that you created in literal seconds. You can even help it come up with your shop title. Your shop title should have some of your keywords telling Etsy what you sell. So right here, I asked it to write a 10-word sentence describing my cat apparel store. And I'm going to use this as my Etsy shop title. Fashionable cat-themed clothing and accessories for feline fanatics. Perfect. Let's say I sell the Bella Canvas 3001 t-shirt and I want to include a little blurb about that exact t-shirt in my description. I'm going to ask it to write a description for the Bella Canvas 3001 t-shirt. Let's see what that gives us. We have the Bella Canvas 3001 t-shirt is a classic and comfortable choice for any wardrobe, made from high quality, soft, 100% combed and ring spun cotton, perfect for everyday wear. This is perfect. We can shorten this up if we would like, but I sell the Bella Canvas 3001, and this is actually 100% correct. It is from the 100% combed and ring spun cotton. This is pulling information that it can find on the interwebs, and it puts it into a sentence for us to use. Let's say that we don't offer refunds within our Etsy store. I'm going to have it help us write up a policy for our no refunds. Here we go. However, due to custom nature of our products, we do not offer refunds or exchanges. All sales are final. Please review your order carefully before submitting it, as we are unable to make changes or cancel orders once they have been placed. This is perfect. And even already included right here, if you have questions or concerns about the products or services we offer, please do not hesitate to contact us before placing your order. It even tried to understand right here that if you receive a product that is defective or damaged, please contact us immediately so we can work with you to help resolve the issue. This is a perfect refund policy that I would put in probably my descriptions so that people know that I do not offer refunds or exchanges. And right here, I have a perfect description as to why. It can even help me come up with some new key phrase ideas or keyword ideas that we can use in our titles and our tags. So I can put create 10 long tail keywords for let's do our cat print t-shirt again. And let's see what it comes up with. Cat print t-shirt, feline print shirt, cat lover t-shirt, kitty print top, cat face t-shirt, animal print t-shirt, cute cat t-shirt, cat graphic tee, funny cat t-shirt. Now we have a list of 10 alternate keywords that people might search in Etsy to find our product that we really didn't have to think about too much. Even further down the line, what happens if we get customer service questions and we don't know how to respond professionally? Let's ask AI. I asked it, help me explain to a customer that her order was lost in transit. I apologize for the inconvenience you are experiencing with the order. I understand that you have been eagerly anticipating its arrival. I wanted to reach out and let you know that we are unable to locate your package and it appears to be lost in transit right here, and I got a replacement order sent to you as soon as possible. In the meantime, please don't hesitate to contact us if you have questions or concerns. This is amazing. We just wrote a 3-sentence kind response to an Etsy customer service question within seconds. Perhaps we want some help coming up with new niche ideas. I'm going to ask it to write 10 sub-niche ideas for mom shirts. And let's see if it can help me come up with some other niches that might not be as popular as mom shirts. We have mom life t-shirts, baby wearing t-shirts, mama ain't easy t-shirts, mama bear t-shirts. Interesting. Milkmaid, mom squad, mama needs a drink shirts, wine loving mom. So these aren't exactly the best sub niches. Well, here we go. Dog mom, gym mom. These are some great ones, but this could just help spark some new ideas about what you can do within a certain niche. Not perfect, but still lots of help for literally just typing in a sentence to a chatbot. Thanks, guys. I hope you had as much fun playing with AI as I did when I first figured this out, and I hope it helps you maybe get started with your Etsy store. If maybe writing or copywriting was something that scared you the most or overwhelmed you the most with starting, maybe AI can really help you get started. Let me know if this is something that you'll be implementing on your store. I would love to see how it turns out. Thanks, guys. And if you haven't yet, please drop a like and subscribe. It would help me so much on my channel and help you bring more videos like this. See you next week.